इस वीडियो में अपनी नेक्स्ट जीके के कंटेंट को कंटिन्यू करते हैं। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इफ़ अ शिप मूव फ्रॉम फ्रेश वाटर into a sea water, what will happen? It will be rise a little higher. Very important question कि if a ship moves from fresh water to sea water, तो what will happen? It will rise a little higher. Next, which was the first national security advisor of India who died recently? Answer is Brajesh Mishra. Next, what is the first compound which is fixed during the photosynthesis? Answer is glucose. Next, at low elevation, which cloud are to be found? Answer is nimbus. Next, during which region did both Vardhaman, Vardhaman Mahavir and Gautam Buddha preach their doctrines? Answer is Bhimisara. Next, which union territory attained the statehood in February 1987? Answer is Goa. Next, the escape velocity from the surface of the earth does not depend on which body? Answer is mass of the body. काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है ये वाला. द escape velocity from the surface of earth does not depend upon which body? The mass of the body. Answer is the mass of the body. Next, in India, which first bank of limited liability managed by Indians and founded in 1881? Answer is Udo Commercial Bank. Next, which color type do not indicate fair or fine weather? Answer is which color type do not indicate fair or fine weather? Answer is Columnibus. Next, what is the name by which Ashoka is generally referred to in his inscription? Answer is Priyadarshi. Next, Nageshwara Rao is associated with which field? Answer is a motion picture. Answer is a motion picture. Next, to which are phototrophic and geotrophic movements linked? Answer is auxin. On which date was the state of Bombay was bifurcated into Maharashtra and Gujarat? Answer is May 1st in the year of 1960. Next, a place having average annual temperature of 27 degrees centigrade and an annual rainfall of over 200 centimeter. Where is this? Answer is Singapore. Which region did not form the part of Ashoka Empire? Answer is Madras. Next, which is the most unreactive gas? Answer is hydrogen. Next, when was the Intergovernmental Authority on Development come into existence? Answer is 21st March 1996. Which rural bank has been named after a river? Answer is Varda Grameen Bank. Next, in which type of the climate does the temperature never rise up 10 degrees centigrade throughout the year? Answer is tundra climate. Next, which Gupta ruler was equally great in the art of peace, war and personal accomplishment? Answer is Chandragupta II. Now cross check the answers. Next, continue. Who has the authority to remove the vice president from his office before the expiry on his term? Answer is Parliament. Which is the most malleable metal? Answer is gold. Next, for internal financing of 5-year plan, the government depend on his which source? Answer is taxation only. Next, the altitude of heavenly bodies appear to be greater than they actually are. Why is this? Answer is atmospheric refraction. Next, during the Mughal period, which trader first come to India? Answer is English. Next, a forgotten empire written by the renowned historian Robert Swell is about which empire? Answer is Vijayanagar Empire. Next, which group of the plant produce naked seed? Answer is gymnosperm. What is the maximum strength of the nominated members in both the House of Parliament? Answer is 14. Next, who discovered the law of planetary orbits? Answer is Johannes Kepler. Next, which god lost his importance as the first deity during the later Vedic periods? Answer is Varun. Next, who gave the first experimental value of G? Answer is Cavendish. Next, photochemical smog occur in which climate? Answer is warm, dry and sunny climate. Not climate, climate. Photochemical smoke occur in which climate? Answer is warm, dry and sunny climate. Next, what is the Planning Commission? Answer is an advisory body. Next, what do the surface of earth that lie between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn? Answer is torrid zone. Next, which is the most important divinity of Rig Veda? Answer is Varun. Next, which communicable disease is caused by the bacteria? Answer is leprosy. Leprosy. Next, who is considered the guardian of the public purse? Answer is Comptroller and Auditor General CAG. Next, what is the conversion of Fe plus 2 to Fe plus 3? Answer is oxidation. Next, what percentage of insolation is received by the earth's surface? Answer is 47%. Who was the famous Indo-Greek king who embarked Buddhism? Maninder. Answer is Maninder. Now cross check the answer. Now next question to be continued. Who is the author of the book Glimpse of World History? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Important question है. Which are the gland of the body which pour their secretion directly into the bloodstream? Endocrine glands. The fundamental right to poverty has been deleted by which Amendment Act? Answer is 44th. Which state is with the largest area under wasteland? Answer is Jammu and Kashmir. On which basis Monetary Claim Ford reports formed? Answer is the Government of India Act 1919. Next, which is the second most abundant metal in the earth crust? Answer is iron. Next, the Vivekananda Rock Memorial is situated at which place? Answer is Kanyakumari. Next, taxation and government expenditure policy are delayed under which policy? Answer is fiscal policy. Next, which is the highest peak in Andaman and Nicobar Island? Saddle Peak. Next, who attended the second round table conference as the representative of the Congress? Answer is Gandhiji. Next, a typical human ribcage consists of how many ribs? Answer is 24. To whom the Vice President letter of resignation is to be addressed? Answer is President. Mo is the unit of which unit? Specific resistance. Specific resistance. Mo is the unit which unit? Answer is specific resistance. Next, which is reservoir is constructed on Chambal? Answer is Gandhi Sagar. Which reservoir is constructed on the Chambal? Gandhi Sagar. Next, which were the patterns of Sangam, an assembly of Tamil poets? Answer is Pandya. Next, Geeta Chandra is well known by which name? Answer is Bharatanatyam dancer. Next, which plant is preferred for mixed cropping in order to enhance the bioavailability of nitrogen? Answer is gram. Next, which cell organelle is responsible for the cellular respiration? Answer is mitochondria. Next, which state was in the development of hydroelectricity the pioneering state? Answer is Karnataka. Next, which dynasty did rule over the Magad after the Nand dynasty? Maurya. Now cross check the answer. Now next question to be continued. By which method is the age of most ancient geological formations estimated? Answer is C4 method. Which tax is labeled by the union and collected and appreciated by the states? Answer is stamp duties. Next, Ban Ki-moon is the Secretary General of UNO belong to which country? Answer is South Korea. Next, which layer of the atmosphere provide ideal condition for flying of jet aeroplanes? Answer is stratosphere. Next, in which state had Gautam Buddha had attained Mahaparinivaran? Answer is Malya. Most of the plant obtain nitrogen from the soil in which form? Answer is nitrates. Next, who is the factor of local self-government in India? Answer is Lord Ripon. Next, if the temperature inside a room is increased, what will be relative humidity? Answer is decreases. Next, who constitute of the atmosphere causes great changes in the climate and weather? Answer is water vapor. Next, who was the last ruler of Sunga dynasty? Devbhuti. Next, what was the pen name of Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay? Answer is Kamalakant. Next, which is not a direct tax? Answer is tax on entertainment. Next, which fungus is responsible for disease late blight of potato? Answer is Phytophthora infestans. Phytophthora infestans answer is right. Next, which type of the forest belt supply most of the world requirement of newsprint? Answer is coniferous forest. Next, who were the first established trade contact with the Roman Empire? Answer is Tamils. Next, with which amendment act has Panchayati Raj received constitutional status? Answer is 73rd. Next, which polymer is used for making bulletproof material? Answer is polyethylene. Next, Man, the maker of the own density book was written by which person? Answer is Swami Vivekanand. Which climatic type suffers change due to the shifting of the world's pressure belts? Answer is monsoon. Next, who is the considered to be the father of Ayurveda? Answer is Charaka. Now cross check the answers and thank you so much. Please share and like the videos. Thank you so much.